Meet the DJI Neo, the ultimate compact drone designed for creators, explorers, and everyday adventurers. Weighing less than 5 ounces and small enough to fit in your palm, the Neo is perfect for capturing life on the go. Capture every moment in 4K with a 1/2-inch sensor and single-axis gimbal for smooth, stable footage every time. With its new vertical shooting mode, creating social media-ready content has never been easier. Experience the thrill of first-person flight with DJI Goggles N3, offering real-time stabilization and unmatched immersion. Effortless controls through the DJI Fly app make the Neo perfect for beginners and pros alike. With 22 gigabytes of internal storage and advanced tracking, the Neo is compact yet packed with power. Eco-friendly and budget-friendly, DJI Neo is your gateway to aerial creativity for just $199. The DJI Neo, compact, powerful, and ready for anything. Get yours today and see the world from a whole new perspective. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Hit the bell icon to stay updated on all the latest tech news. See you in the next one.